Today I'm going to find a random person to gift. And I'm going to gift them a free cube item. But we have to find someone first. I'm thinking of finding someone like that plays Fidget Town but has no profiles and no sticker packs but actually plays. We have to find someone first. I think we can find someone who played Fidget Town for a while and doesn't have any sticker pack yet. Someone join. Let me see. Make sure they're not a noob. They don't look like a noob. They have a collection. Let's go chat to them. I'm chatting with them. I said hi. How long have you been playing Fidget Town? Let's see what they say. They don't remember. Do you play Fidget Town a lot? They said yeah. How often do you play Fidget Town? Let's ask them how often they play. Okay. How long every day? They said a few hours a day. I think they should. Let me ask them. Do you have any cool sticker packs or a cool PFP? They don't. Sadly not. They're more worried about limited. Well, I can gift you. I think I'm gonna give it to them. A PFP or sticker pack by your choice for free. Let's see what they say. Yes, for real. Just tell me what you want. They said they're gonna find one. Okay, I will wait. While they wait, I'm gonna draw one item. Bro, I didn't even get nothing good. I'm still waiting. I'm about to gift them this sticker pack. They want this. Did you call for me, my lady? Send the gift and send it. Yes. Let's go see if they got it. Did you get it? Oh, you are welcome. Enjoy your free gift. Okay, they got it. Now they can use it for trading.